Hey everybody, so today I'm just going to be giving you an update on my pregnancy. Um, Not a lot has changed. I know I said that almost every video, but really not a lot has happened other than right now my sinuses are messing up. It kind of hurts. Um, I've been getting a lot of acid reflux, like, in my throat. They say that's because after you eat, but I don't know if it's what I'm eating or if it's just like, the gas coming back up. I don't know, but um, I've been taking Tums and I really don't like them. I don't like the way they taste. So if y'all have any other suggestions, please let me know. I've been having hair loss, especially like when I'm taking a shower and washing my hair. Um, yeah. I'm sorry about the sun, y'all. The sun is coming in my window, and I have the blinds down and everything, but it's still shining on my face. So, let me see what else. Oh, my feet and my hands have been swelling this past week and a half. Especially my hands, like they'll start itching and palms will start turning red. I've read that that's from increased estrogen that's in your body. But I don't know, I just hate it, and I really don't know what I can do to change that. Let's see what else. I had a bloody nose a couple days ago. It only lasted for a couple minutes, but this is like my fourth one this pregnancy. Let's see what else. I've been having like cravings for different things. Like tonight, I made zucchini and squash because I really wanted it, but after I made it, it's like I tasted it and I didn't want no more. I don't know why I keep doing that, because I've done that like 3 or 4 times. I really want something, and then when I get it, I don't have a taste for it. I don't know, but oh. I'm going to go ahead and tell you how my doctor's appointment went. I went to the doctor on Monday, and they gave me my blood results back from the disorder screening, I guess that's what it's called. But anyways, everything came back negative, so that's good. He finally told me that I will be having a natural birth. I won't be having C-section, because with Elijah, his shoulders got stuck in my pelvic bone. Well, he was 9'7", but my doctor's saying that my weight and the ultrasound that he looked at, he said everything looking like it needs to, so he doesn't see no reason for for a C-section. But he said that we'll know for sure exactly around 37 weeks. But he said that we are planning for a natural birth, which I'm happy about. I don't know what else. I really don't know. Other than the baby's moving around a lot more. His usual movements, he doesn't really start moving in the morning until around 11. So I hope he does that when he comes out. Doesn't really get up too much until 11. Like today, he has been moving around. Started moving around 2, and it's 7 now, almost 7. And he has just been moving around all day. His movements have gotten a lot stronger. So, yeah. But I believe that is all. So I'm going to show you my stomach. This is on my phone again. We just got the computer fixed, but I haven't had a chance to get on there and record anything. And I am starting to get more stretch marks. I have been putting cream on, but it seems like it's not working. So, yeah. And Elijah's at my mom's house. It's probably her calling now. So I will see y'all next week, okay? Bye.